I'm Sam. We're in Belfair. We're getting ready to make biochar. Check it out. Okay, the biochar is cooking. It's a rainy day to make biochar. You have to use really dry feedstock. I'm using wood chips, and we're making biochar in a top-lit updraft kiln, also known as the Jolly Roger. It's looking pretty good, making pretty clear exhaust. I pretty much just see steam coming off of it. The barrel really illustrates how it works. You make a fire right on top, and it heats up from the top down, and so you can see there where it's still wet on the bottom is where the wood has not charred. None of that wood is burning, it's just charring. So when the whole thing is red hot and all that water is evaporated off the barrel, it'll be ready to pour out and extinguish, and we'll have biochar. So